Okay, so we're going to ask to factorize this expression. And I can see there's 4 terms here. And so I'm going to look at these 4 here, or those 2, and these 2 here as well. So when I do that, I'm going to apply grouping. And so from here, I can pull out a factor of 3 cosine. So 3 cosine theta, which will leave me with 2 sine theta plus 1. Here, I'm going to take a factor of 2, which leaves me with sine theta plus 1. Oh, a 2 sine theta plus 1. I can pull out a 2 sine theta plus 1, and I'm left with 3 cosine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Hence, which means I must use the previous result. So I must use this factored scenario, which is good for me because it makes it nice and easy to solve. And so solving for B part, I can say that 2 sine of theta plus 1 is 0, or 3 cosine theta plus 2 equals 0. Sine theta equals negative 1/2. Cosine theta equals negative 2/3. Negative 180 to 80 in degrees. So my reference angle for here is going to be 30 degrees. But I'm going to be in these quadrants here. So my positive 180 doesn't help me. And so I have to go in this direction. This is going to be negative 30 degrees. And this one here will be negative 150 degrees. Shifting over cosine, I can see that's not one of my special ones, so I have to use my calculator. I'm going to make sure that I want cosine here, and I want negative 2 divide 3. My mode, I'm going to change it to degrees, since that's what I'm dealing with. And I want to make my window from negative 180 to 180, since this is the window that I'm looking for here for my theta. My y values are fine. Enter. So I'm going to graph this now. Here comes cosine. Negative 2/3 should be here. And I'm going to get these 2 values here. Second, I'm going to intersect 1, 2, 3, and I get x is equal to, or theta rather, 1.0, not 1.3, 131, and that is in my 1 region. That it will be positive, because I know I'm looking for this value here, which is 131 positive. But I'm also going to be looking for this one down here, because that's where cosine is negative. So positive 131 and negative 131 gives me the 2 values that I need for that.